How to create a signature on your MacBook. So you want to open Spotlight Search and search for the freeform. It should be automatically downloaded on your Mac because it's default app on your Mac. And once you open it, you can create a new one. And here in the top menu bar, you want to click on Insert and find Insert from iPhone. We will use the iPhone. Make sure that the AirDrop on your iPhone is turned on. And now click on Add Sketch. So it will open freeform on your iPhone and you can take a signature here. So take it and now click on Done in right upper corner area of your iPhone. And as you can see here, it's in your freeform on your MacBook. So imagine this is my signature. I'm gonna click on File in top menu bar. You can export it as PDF. Name it, for example, signature, and click on export. And now it's in my documents, in my Finder, and you can check your signature which you created on your MacBook using your iPhone and the freeform. So that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing and see you next time.